What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. We have a lot of information to cover today. We got more and more news breaking out with the Sofi stock. Only if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash the like button. Don't forget to drop a comment and be sure to subscribe so you can be updated on all of the breaking news for the Sofi stock. Once again, I'm telling you, when this stock runs, it is going to run very hard. This stock has done pretty much nothing for the past 9 months because we have that massive catalyst waiting to happen. And I believe once that catalyst happens, we're going to hear more and more news coming out with the Sofi stock. Once again, that is the bank charter. It could happen at any given moment, any given week. You have to be patient, diamond hand this stock. We do not FOMO. We wait for the big news to happen. We don't chase the big news. Let's get into the video. All right, guys, as we can see, the indexes, the S&P 500 green, the Dow green, and the NASDAQ red. Anytime the NASDAQ finishes red, guys, and we finish green, that is an amazing day. It is hard to beat the market when these indexes continue to go red. So we finished about 1%, down about 0.5% in the after hours. This is going to be non-stop manipulation until some big news breaks out, guys. And right now we're trading at about 13 billion market cap. That is a price to sales of 13x. We're going to do right around $1 billion in revenue this year. That is a pretty low multiple in my opinion. When we talk about the type of growth that Sofi has, we're talking over 70% year-over-year growth. That's one of the fastest growing fintechs in the world right now. So guys, to start the video off, guys, this is some really big news, okay? We know that, Chad Borton came over, from USAA. He's going to be running, the SoFi Bank. And we saw all of that stuff with LinkedIn. We saw all of that stuff about his job being, in transition in the process. But guys, this is the SoFi website officially updated. SoFi management team. If we scroll down a little bit right here, Chad Borton, guys, president of SoFi Bank. This is confirmed on SoFi's website. Guys, they're not going to just put stuff like this on their website if they're not 100% confirmed that they're going to be getting a banking license, guys. So the banking license is almost 100% in the bag. They just need to make the announcement, guys. And there's just been a couple of setbacks that I believe the announcement has not happened yet. As we can see here, Golden Pacific Bank Corp director sues bank over SoFi acquisition. If we click right here, 22.3 million acquisition for the Golden Pacific Bank Corp. This is, to speed up the process for the bank charter. It looks like the director is suing, guys. So not even the CEO, the CFO. This is the director. Directors are a little bit lower than, that upper management class. And we go on to Golden Pacific Bank Corp, meet our team. We scroll down, guys. This is the CEO, the COO. None of these guys have a problem with this deal. We scroll all the way to the bottom. Of course, the last guy. Isn't that funny? Rick Fowler. Look at this guy. He is salty about this acquisition. So I believe the lawsuit has to do with the exit, on the Golden Pacific Bank Corp, okay? How much money he's getting, for his shares. If we click on another link, we can see a little bit of information about the shares. Fowler contends that they should be valued at no less than $3.19 per share, okay? So this guy wanted more money on the cash out of the deal, that 22 million transaction. He believed his shares were worth more than what SoFi valued, the transaction at. So I believe it was in the $2 range. So it looks like he's looking to get a couple extra $100,000, potentially even, a couple million. I don't know exactly how many shares he had, but you can't see the exact information of that, on these websites. So as we can see here, he is not happy about the final transaction of what his, shares were valued at. So it looks like that is what the little setback is, on all of this lawsuit news right now. But guys, once again, I would not be worried about this at all. You can see on SoFi's website, they got Chad Borton locked in, president of SoFi Bank. They completed all the tasks they needed to do with the OCC, the Federal Reserve, etc. This is in the bag, guys. I'm telling you right now, the news could break out at any moment. It could break out this week, next week, a couple of weeks during the earnings report. You just have to be patient and understand that SoFi has massive upside once this bank charter goes through officially. If we sit back and look at that one-year chart, since this company went public, guys, back in January, guys, I mean, we're going on 10 months now. This stock has just been absolutely getting hammered. We're literally near the bottom, of $13, $14, $15. But as we can see, what is happening right now, more and more long-term institutional investors are entering this stock. That is why when we get over to here, we continue to get higher and higher lows. As you can see, guys, the $14 and $15 range is, it's starting to disappear very gradually. That's why I've been telling you guys, continue to buy in the $15 to $16 range for now, because more and more long-term investors are entering this stock. That's why you keep seeing these shares being slowly accumulated by the big whales, and the stock continues to go higher and higher. And guys, this sell-off has been happening since the earnings report. This is back in August. Almost 3 months of higher and higher lows. But guys, as you can see here, I have a big position. I have more shares in two other accounts, my SoFi account, my TD Ameritrade. Once the bank charter goes through, I'm going to be putting them all into one account. But guys, 66,000, market value, we're already up 10%. We had about a $15 average. I mean, if this stock pulls back again, I'll buy some more, but I feel very comfortable with my position right now. This is a diamond hand. Be patient and let the company take its course. I'm telling you right now, they're going to be breaking out massive news soon. They have to wait till that bank charter officially goes through. And guys, that last video I just did yesterday, I was going to be doing an update for you on that Oppenheimer meeting. Oppenheimer has about, 40 billion assets under management, and they're also given a $23 price target. And we can see here with the one-on-one interview with CEO Anthony Noto, what they're saying is, Oppenheimer pounds the table on SoFi stock, guys. That is saying buy, buy, buy. Don't stop buying. There is massive upside potential when this bank charter goes through, and I'm telling you, their technology sector with Galileo is going to be massive in the future, guys. They have 79 million accounts growing 100% year over year. A lot of people don't even understand Galileo, or not even talking about it. They just mention it. Oh, the technology sector is growing. Following a chat with CEO Anthony Noto, Oppenheimer's Dominic Gabriel not only walked away incrementally positive, but the analyst also believes many investors are only just beginning to understand the broad opportunity SoFi's business model aims to capture. Whew, that gives me chills, guys. I'm telling you, there's a lot of big things happening for SoFi stock. They have to get this bank charter stamped, 100% confirmed, and then we can get rolling with the buy now, pay later, with the options, acquisitions. We just don't know what's going to happen, but understand we have massive upside. So what differentiates the fintech player from the competition? Well, for one, its tech segment boosts richer APIs when compared to other payment platforms. While in financial services, SoFi Invest provides robo-advisory, an advanced computer algorithm that helps pick and manage investments, Money Invest integration, custom ETFs, and financial planning and career advice, offerings other close peers lack. Trading funds can also be accessed instantly via the money product. Furthermore, Gabriel says, because the loan business is integrated, it is the only super app in the market, guys. The company is also hoping to secure a banking charter for which it has already attained conditional approval, and which will ultimately allow for competitive money interest rates and enable longer-term expansion into other lending verticals such as auto loans and refinancing. Guys, that's just going to be another segment onto their one-stop shop platform, auto loans. That's big money. All in all, Gabriel's confidence is conveyed via an outperformed buy rating and $23 price target. So they did not up the $23 buy rating, but that could definitely happen after the bank charter goes through. And guys, we also have earnings coming up. We could definitely smash earnings as well. We could get massive boosts into the $30 and $35 range. So once again, anybody new to this stock, this stock has not been doing anything, the past couple of months. Great time to enter if you do your deep dive due diligence. 47% upside without a bank charter, 5 analysts covering, 1 hold, no sells. This is what you want to look for. And guys, I want you to understand, compared to some of these other fintechs out there, these technology companies that are absolutely exploding right now, especially with the buy now, pay later with Affirm, SoFi is dirt cheap right now. As you can see here, Affirm just surged 20% after online lender partners with Target, another partnership on top of the Amazon partnership, which ran them up like 40 to 50%. So these two massive news updates, boosted Affirm 70%, guys. But you have to understand, how expensive Affirm really is right now. We can see as an IPO, they have 11 analysts covering the stock, and they have 10% downside on the stock. So as you can see here, people are comfortable with these IPOs, and this stock has been maxed out to the top of its price target, even higher than what it's valued at. Guys, Affirm right now, 35 billion market cap, 35 billion smackaroos. SoFi, 13 billion market cap. I mean, guys, you go to 39 billion, That's almost a triple from where we are valued at right now. Guys, you can see here Affirm is doing 834 million in revenue. SoFi is doing 980 million in revenue. They're not even on our level with revenue, guys, and we don't even have the bank charter in the bag. Look at the market cap difference, 36 billion to 13 billion. Their price to sales is 42x right now. Our price to sales is 13x. This is an amazing metric to see where your company is priced at, at the current value. We are dirt cheap. That is why we have 50% upside without a bank charter. I'm going to continue to stick to my price target of $45 plus heading into next year in 2022 with 3 to 4 earnings. Guys, massive upside. I mean, we could definitely see over $25 to $30 by the end of this year if this bank charter officially goes through. Once again, I really hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to continue to bring you these news updates as soon as they happen. The big news update, of course, is, SoFi has officially put Chad Borton on the website. SoFi Bank, you love to see that, guys. I'm telling you right now, the banking charter could happen at any given moment. And, just seeing, what type of moves Affirm, had with the Target and an Amazon, there's no questions about it. We could definitely move 40% on this bank charter news. And I believe the upgrades are going to come right after, that charter goes through. And then we're heading into earnings. So hopefully the bank charter goes through before the earnings. That will be massive upside potential if they blow out earnings, of course. Once again, be sure to smash the like button. Let's try to get this video up to like 800 likes or more. This is really good for the YouTube algorithm. And don't forget to drop a comment. Any questions you have on the SoFi stock? Are you buying this stock right now? And don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Once again, my name's Kyle. Hope you have a great day.